Hi guys, and welcome back to Schmiedmann, your favorite supplier of BMW and MINI parts. We are all about saving money on BMW and MINI parts, and so should you. Today I bring to you two great examples on how to save money choosing high quality aftermarket compared to genuine BMW. Let's go. First up, the belt for the air conditioning compressor in the BMW F10, F20, F30 and many more models. This is the genuine BMW one at a whopping price of €35.72, excluding VAT. German Meile produces this belt, does the exact same thing in your car, compatible with the exact same models at a price of €13.32, excluding VAT. Choice made simple, right? Saving over 60% on Schmiedmann.com. Brought you in closer here for the second comparison. This time hinges for the fuel filler flap of the BMW E32 and E34. This over here, the genuine BMW one, comes in at €40.18, excluding VAT, and over here at an astonishing price, the aftermarket part at only €6.44, excluding VAT. A great way to save over €30, saving your daily driver or even restoring a true classic, the E32 or E34. This was just two examples from our vast catalog of aftermarket parts for your BMW and MINI right now on Schmiedmann.com. Go there and save a lot of money choosing aftermarket over genuine BMW. Schmiedmann.com delivers both aftermarket and genuine BMW. So go there now, find the parts you want for your BMW and MINI. Did you like this video? Share it with a friend, leave a like, and follow us on Schmiedmann for more entertaining, fun and informative content about BMW and MINI. See you in the next one.